ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. All right. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we get the price will drop, and this is what we get because we will keep pointing on the price. If the price can retest this low, which is 1.088, or after that, what we're looking, this is the second level. All right, which is the second one is 1.03. Then from there, any reversal we can it can give us a really good confirmation for the up move, because we mentioned that as long as we are within this move, we are within the correction. We cannot get the confirmation unless we get the breakout. And even if we refer to 15 minute, exactly we point on this one for next drop. But this one there was internal for the price move a bit higher. Now we get down move. Okay, from what we have right now here, still we can expect for one more drop. That means the ways the structure is forming, still we can expect for the continuation to prior for the price to drop, give us one more drop. Okay, that means if we get one more drop, easily price can retest this low. All right. Now, one things we need to mention here that based on our analysis, we keep mentioning that if the price can break this low, especially here, or even retest here, any reversal we can look for buy, because the reason is we're looking at this structure. As long as the price haven't broke this top or this low, still we are within this correction. The best thing is if the price break this low, then we can confirm that okay, that this move is finished. The next move is the one is going to give big up move. Okay, and that means the reversal can be quite big, may even retest this top. Okay, that's why right now, even last time when the price was here, we mentioned at the top here, now we can see the price broke the previous top, but it's still, as long as the price is within this top or this low, we are within this correction. We need to get the breakout of this correction, and the best is again to break this low. But may the price but doesn't break this low and start to reverse from here. Okay, that's why we mentioned any drop with the reversal we can look for buy. Why? Because we want us to why we don't want to buy at the top, because we want to buy at the lower price. This is the only simple reason. Okay, now what we're looking for, we want to get this down move with the breakout of this low. If I put the price back, then if we get any reversal we can look for buy. For example, if the price drop, any reversal with the flag we can buy after this top. But as I mentioned, any buy within the top or below, we consider we are trading within this correction. We have to wait for the breakout. Okay. No, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we're waiting this one to give us one more drop. And we have been looking for this correction, because if this one is a correct, the next one is, we can expect the price to break this low. This is what we expect, because if we get, then from there we can consider the correction is finished and we can look for next up move. But one things we need to consider here, maybe we don't get it because we're looking for this. This is what we're looking for. How about if this one is the first move, this is a correction, and this is the second move, this is a correction, then we get the third one, this is a correction. That's why I mentioned if the price drop right now, one more, any reversal we take it, similar to what we have here. The first move, correction, second, correction, suddenly move. Okay, made this one first. Now we are within the correction. Now we have the second one, second move, which is broke the previous top. Now we have within this correction. Suddenly we get a sharp move, I start to correct, move. Maybe we don't get the price to drop to here. Then that's why any reversal we have to look for buy. If we move to 1 hour chart, that's why we have this entry at the top. Anytime price start to move, we take it. But we should know that sometimes the price easily can tag and reverse. We should know how to manage it. And what I will just mention is like that. We have this moon. I know we are within this correction. We get the second move. This one can drop a bit more. This one tend to have another correction. Another move, then suddenly the prices start to move. Because the way is moving is very corrective. That's why I mentioned any drop from here, any reversal, we take the trade, we start to manage it.